Hello friends, in this video we are going to see volume down key not working as well as safe mode problem. I am having a Samsung phone. All phones has a safe mode option. If you click on that safe mode, you cannot open the applications which you have installed in your own mobile. See, can you able to see? It intimates you to disable the safe mode option. We'll see how to enable safe mode option first. When powering off button, click the power off button and press, then you'll see safe mode option and press, then you'll enable the safe mode option. To disable this safe mode, in the Shutterstock option, you can see the safe mode option. In that you can disable it and then your mobile will restart. At that time the safe mode option will be disabled, but in this mobile we are having a problem that the safe mode option cannot be disabled. So let's see. We'll check after restarting. Now the mobile is powered on, but still the safe mode option didn't disable. The reason is the side buttons are not working. Because of it, the safe mode cannot be disabled. I have factory reset the mobile and also I have flashed this mobile even though it is not disabled. The volume up button is working, but the volume down button is not working. This is the problem. Because of this, the volume button issue, the safe mode cannot be disabled, and so I cannot open any applications in this mobile which I have installed cannot be opened because of the safe mode option. You may ask that how could I find out that only this volume button is having the fault? For that, it has a code. Each mobile brand has a different code for it, and it is also called as the secret code as well. So this mobile has the code as star ash 0 again star ash. So this is the secret code for this mobile. You will see a screen and you can check the hardware in your phone. Now click the sub key. All our sub keys, the color gets changing. It means when these sub keys are working, the color will be changing. If so, the sub keys are working, that is the keys in the mobile phones are working, but volume up button is working, power on button is working, but the volume down button is not working because the color didn't change. All other buttons, while clicking, the colors are changing, but the volume down button color is not changing. When pressing the volume down button, the color is not changing, so that the volume down button is not working in that condition. So now what I am going to do is I am going to dismantle the mobile and going to check the line. Nowadays the covers are like this. So golden point of volume up and volume down button, and also the power on button, it is in the back case of the mobile phone. So these are the connecting pad. So I have fixed the battery, mobile is also powered on, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the multimeter. By using this multimeter, I'm going to fix it in 20 voltage DC and going to ground it. And I'm checking the power voltage of this mobile. So this is the common ground for volume up and volume down button. For power on and off, it has a separate positive and negative. We are going to find out this track. If you have a schematic diagram, you can check it or else check it with the component nearby segment. So now I'm checking the power voltage. I am checking the volume up and volume down button. So I am getting the track line. So next is the volume down button. So I will take volume up and volume down buttons ground as a common one. So next is the volume down. It is going to the nearby resistor so that the voltage drop takes place here. So now we'll check the track line by using the multimeter in continuity mode. So here the volume button is not going to the exact track line, it is moving on to the nearby resistor, that is to the nearby segment. So now I am sorting with the tweezer and checking the phone by doing the same method again by using the secret code. And now I am again clicking to the sub key. The mobile is powered on only, so we'll see whether the keys are working. That is, you could able to see the color changing in the other screen. I am fixing the keys with the multimeter in continuity mode, and one end I am going to keep it in the capacitor to check the volume down button. So now we will check the volume down button. So now it didn't work, so now again I am going to sort by using the continuity mode, where I will do the jumping process. When I do the jumping process, this problem will be solved, and then the volume button will work. Then we can disable the safe mode option also. So hope you all have enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.